Before we continue, a quick word from the sponsor of this video, Raid Shadow Legends. As you are probably aware by now, Raid Shadow Legends is a visually stunning fantasy RPG with hundreds of champions to choose from. Join forces with over 1 million active daily players and slay demons for epic loot, unlock rare champions and more. You don't have to take our word for it, there's over 41,000 ratings on the App Store. Raid recently released its biggest update ever, the Doom Tower. It's a giant tower with 120 floors, a bunch of secret challenge rooms and 12 seriously badass bosses to take on. It's an absolute blast. And that is not all. With a bunch of new champions coming soon and a load of awesome events coming through February, there's even a Valentine's Day event, there's never been a better time to dive in and get started. Go to the video description, click on these special links, and if you are a new player, you will receive 50,000 silver, 50 gems, an energy refill, a clan boss key, 5 mystery shards, a 1-day XP booster, and a free epic champion shaman.
All of this treasure will be waiting for you here. Good luck, and I'll see you in the game.